where the motor mount is, like all this is off the frame. Bro, what's wrong, bro?
Nigga about to fix all this damn spaghetti we got in here.
Spaghetti?
Exactly.
Now this right here, it says proven to reduce 75%.
Why the fuck you put that there?
The heat, because you know, this supercharger problem.
Nigga, I feel like the supercharger in the back.
Nah, Meatloaf, who you going, bro? Nah, it's because the heat. It keeps
Nigga,
heating
take that shit off.
For real? I don't need it, bro.
No, you do not, nigga. Take that shit off.
I custom fabbed it myself.
Leave that shit on.
That's Uncle
Nigga, what
Ryland
you
built.
took it off for? Not like an Audi or something.
That's Uncle Ryland built though, right there.
With that cheap ass zip ties you put on there, bro?
Nah, it
Those are the
eliminates.
stainless steel metal zip ties. Them bitches
Luis,
are-
give the approval, Luis. This is Ryland built right here. Right there. That's supercharger right there.
He acting like the supercharger's on top of the header.
I don't see nothing wrong with it. Twinkie Bill didn't do it, so it's okay.
Hey, yo.
Hey, two things for sure. It's not going to blow the motor. It's not going to break an axle.
No windshield wipers, yo. Dang. I gotta get a new chassis now.
Bump that joint. Yeah, you see?
Kill, bro.
It's like buckled.
Yeah, your joint flat, my joint all buckled. Dang, that joint breaking the camera brake.
Where ain't you go?
Alright, y'all. It's the couple days later from what y'all saw when I went to the shop and I had Twinkie help me out with the ABS delete. I did show it. I didn't do too much talking because, you know, he was playing his music and stuff, so I kind of got like a little bit of like B-roll shots of him like doing, you know, the work. But we're kind of like in a little dilemma right now. I showed it and I think we like spoke about it once we removed the ABS unit. As you see right here, pretty much is buckled right here where the motor mount is. Like all this is off the frame. As you see, it is all buckled. This has been like this ever since I got the car, and I didn't know it was this bad. I kind of knew it was an accident from, I don't know if you can see right here, but you can see where like it's chipping. I always had issues with the passenger door getting caught on this fender, and the guys at the shop that always, you know, do the work on my car, they could tell from under the chassis that, you know, it's been an accident. And then not till yesterday they did more. I don't know why it's like, you know, we didn't kind of like, you know, catch this sooner, but it was one of them things we knew it was an accident, but I guess we didn't know it was this bad. But under this wheel well, it's also like, you're not gonna be able to see it. I have no space in the garage right now, but it's also like buckled and pushed back. Like whatever happened with the accident, it was the wheel, it hit here and pretty much like shifted the wheel and everything back. And I want to say when we got the car back in like 2017, it's already probably, you know, I don't know if it's been to a machine shop already, a body shop, you know, where they tried to pull it already. I got alignment done numerous times with the car. As you can see, my upper adjustment plates on my struts, my coilovers, this is out centered. This one is in, just to off center and make the car go straight. I'm trying to word this the best. I'm not that knowledgeable. As y'all already know, I love cars, but I'm not. I'm learning. I'm learning still. Yeah. So right now, I'm trying to think. Like, I guess this is where y'all come into play. You know, I want to get you guys' opinion on what we should do, because this will affect the channel from here and out. And it's like I'm just starting to get back into the swing of the things with the car, like, you know, getting excited, trying to, like, you know, clean the engine bay up, trying to continue to, like, you know, push forward with the, you know, the build. You know, the ones that really know, bro, I've been through a lot with this car. The ones that's like close in like the circle that know me, we've been through a lot with this car. But right now the choice is, one, I still need to get a quote, take it to a body shop and have them look over it. I already know it's going to be pretty expensive. And I'm talking like somebody that actually, what do you call it, does good work, and I'm just going to put some Bondo, you know, just trying to do some, you know, easy, quick money. It's going to cost, so, to get it fixed. Second choice would be trying to find a clean RSX shell. That would be the second option. Or we can either find us a EK hatch, which is kind of like unicorn. It can be done. It might take some time. It might cost. But it can be done. Or like a Civic Coupe, a EK Coupe or something like that. Right now, where I'm leaning towards is like a lot of mixed, like, you know, emotions with the, you know what I'm saying? It's like, I don't know, it's something that I'm trying to, like, not, you know, move too fast on. The car has always been, you know, it's been, I ain't gonna say it's been good, but the car is, it's been here. The car has been here. Alright. This is a heavy car, y'all. It's a heavy car for the setup that I got. It's a heavy car. I'm not the type that's like really into like, you know, just building a car just to race. That was never like the plan. It was more so of a, you know, build a nice, clean, fun, you know, street car. That was the ultimate goal and the plan, you know. As far as with this car, you know, I always, you know, wanted something boost, but it's kind of like I feel as though I wouldn't. I kind of, I don't know how to explain this, bro. It's like I did pretty much everything I could have done with this car. Granted, there's a lot of more aesthetics that I could have done and still needs to be done as far as like having a car 100%. But you know, I have the car for some time now. Would I get another RSX? Only reason I feel like I wouldn't get another shell, RSX shell, is because I feel like it won't be the same. It won't be the same. Like, I feel like, you know, it's just not going to, like, hit the same. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can swap everything over. It, I don't know, bro. I don't know, yo. Like, yo, I don't know if y'all. And then, like, I don't know if y'all know, bro. I still have my Mark III Super, y'all. That I need to get that looked at. I don't. At this point, that car has been sitting so much. I don't even know, like, if that's like, you know, the chassis is like worth building on, because that has issues also. Just from me looking at it. I have an E39, and I feel as though, like, the only way it would be, like, it would literally be me just keeping this car the way it is. They were saying it's not safe. As you see, it's not, you know, I never knew it was that bad, you know. And then, like I said, another thing is, I know I'm rambling, but I feel as though, like, I need to, you know, get this off my chest. You know, I want to talk about it. I do apologize for this. I don't know how long this video better be, but I know some of you guys will be willing to listen. I'll be fighting with the steering wheel. RSXs already have issues with going straight. This right here alone doesn't help. So, like, only way I feel like I would settle for a coupe, but I really would like a EK, bro. A EK hatch is one of them cars that grew on me. Always liked them. Like, it wasn't until, like, after I got my RSX when I started, like, to, like, you know more about the car, what they can do, that, you know, yeah, I lost my train of thought. But I was, like, saying the it would literally be me, like I said, either keeping the car the way it is. It's gonna be a lot of money trying to fix the money that I could put into the money that I will spend fixing this framework could be the money that I could put into a rolling shell and swapping this whole setup into that. I feel like it's going to be around $3 to $4 grand, and that's done correctly. Another option was making the car right hand drive. Again, it would be worth it. That's what it would cost. Cost time. I don't know. It's a lot of different things running through my head right now, bro. But oh man, I feel like right now what I would like to do is, because I don't know, like, I don't know how if I don't attend to this, I don't know how much, you know, worse that can get. You know, driving it every time, you know, you hit into potholes, different stuff, you know. I don't know how worse that will get. But I feel like if I'm going to do this, like, I should do it for something that I really want. You know? Like, don't get me wrong, I love this car, bro. I love this car. I like the way it looks and everything. But all I'm saying is, before I would pay $3 to $4 grand to get that fixed, I would rather put that into another shell. And it would have to be an EK hatch. It's a car I really want. Yeah. This was what be going through my mind, y'all. Kind of was just rambling a lot, but this video is probably long as all get out. But hey, I want you guys to just comment down in the comment section below your thoughts, your ideas, what I should do, all of the above. if you kind of see where I'm going with it. But only got one life to live. Live it, but don't give it. Trying to make my own outro, man. I'm tired of, all these copyright issues and stuff, man. So I'm just trying to be different. I'm trying to take matters into my own hands now. I don't really know what I'm doing, man. But if you mess with it, I mess with it. Tell your friends. I don't know. I'm no rapper, man. You know me, man. I'm just living, as I say, one mailbox at a time, baby.